Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will cover question answers of It's Country for Me. Question number 1 is, how does Jule feel about getting out of bed at 11:15 pm to feed the lamb? How can you tell? Jule does not feel bad at all. He knows how to care for the animals they shelter. He likes to take care of the animals. It can tell that because after listening to his mother, Jule instantly goes out with a milk replacement in a soda pop bottle to feed the lamb. Question number 2 is, why Jule had to feed the lamb at 11:15 pm? Answer is, Jule's mother usually fed the orphaned lamb, but tonight she had come home late for a meeting and did not want to go to the barn wearing good clothes. So he asked Jule to feed the lamb. The lamb was not fed on time as Jule's mother was not at home, so Jule had to feed the lamb at 11:15 pm. Describe the Holland farm. Answer is, Jule Holland has lived on this 245-acre farm since he was born 13 years ago. It is the farm of his ancestors. He lives in the house that his great-grandfather built. The land he helped his father and brother's farm is the land that his great-grandfather James Holland bought in 1860. James was an Irish immigrant. He drove a team of horses to plow the land and make it ready for corn. Now 5 generations later, Jule plows the same land atop a tractor that has the power of 120 horses. In what ways does Jule play the role of an adult? The daily chores that Jule does help him to run the farm and to support the family. Jule plows the fields with a tractor. He feeds the animals, opens and closes the gates, lifts the bags of grains, shovels the land, etc. On weekends and during the summer, he works outdoor from 8 to 15 hours a day. So his role is not less than an adult. Does Jule agree with his brother about the rewards of farming? Yes, he agrees, but he makes funny comments on this occasion. He calls all his brothers and fathers his bosses. On this, they are laughs, but he does not seem to be serious. In fact, he sometimes does not like to become everybody's gopher. What skills must a farmer have to run a farm like Holland? To run a farm like this, farmers have to have many skills. They have to be machine operators driving immense and powerful vehicles. They have to be mechanics repairing them, husbandmen raising livestock, veterinarian tending them when sick, agriculturist growing food on large scale, and business people managing like Jule's father a farm operation worth nearly $1 million. Question number 7 is, Jule says that all the places on earth he would choose to live right there on the farm. Do you think his choice is a good one? If he had to live in the city for a year, he would mostly miss the land he had missing things grow. He would miss the transitions of seasonal changes. He says so because he likes the teamwork and freedom of work of the country people. I think his choice is good because living near nature increases your lifespan. Question number 8 is, in a sentence state the main idea of the story. The main idea of the story is that it does not matter whatever profession you adopted, you can earn enough and enjoy life, but you must work hard and devote yourself to the profession. Why does Jule wear boots every day regardless of the weather? Jule has to wear the boots every day because he does chores every night after school and for several hours on weekends. The chores are boot work, hard, heavy, and sometimes dirty. Farming is Jule's word. Justify and comment. Jule lives on 245-acre farm since he was born. He goes in and out of the barn at least 10 times a day. He works in the fields for hours and even in the night. He helps his family in raising crops and cattle. He never wants to live in a city. His life is duly packed up in the pattern of a professional farmer. That's why he can say that farming is Jule's word. How do Holland make money? Or what are the financial benefits of farming for Hollands? Hollands operate a self-sufficient farm. The main activity in the farms is to raise livestock. In each herd, they keep some females to replenish the stock. The rest animals are sold. They grow the feed needed for livestock feeding. The extra food is also sold. How can Jewel tell what is going on even when he is not actively involved in a core? Jewel extremely alert and watchful like a cat. He gets an idea of what is going on and what is going to happen from the talks of his father and brother. He keep ears on everything his father talk about with others, so he can tell what is going on. Who is Jewel? What kind of student he is? Jewel is a 13 to 14 years old boy who lives on a farm with his family near Scales Mountain. He works on the farm with his family. He's a student in grade 8. Jewel is a good student, but he is reluctant to discuss it. He often gets A or B grades in his exams. He scored 99% in national testing. He is an alert and vigilant student. He knows what they are reading at school. Thank you.